Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your character smallest in Roblox. So first of all you have to head over to the Roblox website. Now to make your avatar smallest, guys, you need to do three things. First thing, you have to go to avatar and go to head and body and go to scale. Now you have to scale all these things down to the zero till the point, and once you're done, you will notice that your avatar will look smaller than compared to before. Now you can see. Now if you want to make your avatar more smallish, then you can do one more thing. You have to search for city life women in marketplace. You have to search for this, and now click on this first item, city life women. So this is a complete package. You can own this package and it is completely free. So I've already owned this package item. So it comes with the small face, the thinner hand and thinner legs. You can use it to make your avatar thinner or smaller. So let's go back to our avatar and let's try these items. So first of all, go to your head and body and go to classic hat. Now you have to choose this city life woman. Now you can notice that your avatar looks much more smaller than compared to before by using a small face, and that comes with the city life woman item. And one more thing you can do if you want, and you can make your hand thinner by just go to head and body and go to left arm and choose the city life woman left arm. Now you can see. Now if you go to right arm, you can choose as well the city life woman again. Now you will notice that your avatar looks much more smaller than compared to before. And one more pack you can consider, but if you have, you can do that. If you have kids as a pack, then you can choose its right and left arm, so it makes your character more smaller than compared to before. So it makes your basically that pack makes your character more tiniest one. So but in my knowledge, these are the ways only to make your character smallest. And you can see, so you can use its leg and right leg and left leg, but it doesn't look much. It doesn't look good on your avatar. So I've tried that out. If you want to try, you can try out. But with thinner hand, it looks good. But after using that thinner legs, it makes your avatar more versatile. So you don't want to make your avatar more vast. So you can use hands and face, but don't use the legs. I will recommend you. So hope you like it.